Salama daholo dia tratry ny taona. Tena sahirana be aho, tsy afaka nampianatra mihitsy. Be asa be. Are you also feeling very busy like me? Well, today we're going to learn how to tell people you're busy in Malagasy. Ready? Let's go. There are a few expressions you can use to express that you're very busy in Malagasy. So the first one, and I've already said it during the introduction, and that is beasa bea. Beasa bea. Let's tell it slowly. Be as be ao, which means I've got a lot of work to do. So be is usually big or many, and then as is work, and ao is I. So in Malagasy, the subject is at the end of the sentence. But note my pronunciation of ao. I didn't say ahu. It's ah, beasa bea, beasa bea. Repeat, beasa bea. Great. So that's the first one, beasa bea. The second one is saíra na bea. Saíra na bea. So I'm really overwhelmed. I've got a lot to do. Saíra na bea. Or I'm struggling a bit with my tasks. Saíra na bea. Slowly. Saíran. Saíran. Saíra na be. Saíra na bea. Saíra na bea. Saíra na bea. Good. And the third one I want to teach you is berene. Berene. So you can just say that to people and people will understand that you're actually very busy. So berene is like I've got a lot of responsibilities. I do a lot. Berene. Be, again, big. Eren is like responsibilities or tasks or you going around kind of. And e is just an interjection. So be, beren, berene. And you can have that intonation so that it sounds not like, arrogant, busy, arrogant, but busy. Berene. All right. Now it's your turn. I will ask you a few questions. Please respond in Malagasy and say that you're busy. So, how about going to see some lemurs at the zoo today? Amazing. And the second one, how about hanging out with some friends today? And that's it. And I will see you next time. Bye.